My name is Dennis and I'm from Oradell, New Jersey, and I'm a huge Yankees fan and been a Yankees fan since I was a kid.
I'm Brenda Scott and I am a St. Louis Cardinals fan.
My grandmother used to live about 5 minutes from Yankee Stadium, and I would always ask my parents, when are you going to take me to Yankee Stadium?
I grew up listening to the Cardinals and watching the games on TV with my dad.
Finally, they took me to Yankee Stadium. I was probably about 10 years old, and I've been hooked ever since. I've been a huge fan.
One of the things that I love about the ballpark is their brats and sauerkraut, and I have actually made my own version of it.
And today I'm going to be making skirt steak tacos.
Today, I'm going to show you how to make the Redbird brat.
If you want to be the Aaron Judge of skirt steak tacos, like me, this is how you get it done. You have to chop it very, very fine. You want the crunchiness and the tartness in the taco, but you don't want it to be overwhelming.
I'm going to put my brats on my grill. We are not going to cook them all the way. We are going to just brown them while we finish the sauerkraut.
The steak is ready to come off.
Add brown sugar, black pepper, caraway seeds. Mix this all together until our sauerkraut begins to brown.
So just added the cilantro to the cabbage salad. I think this one is the favorite amongst all my family and friends.
Add the bratwurst into the sauerkraut, cover it up, and let it continue simmering.
And there you go. All set.
Looks good.
Yeah.
This is on loan from our friends at MLB, Major League Baseball, of course, and the World Series is right around the corner. Earlier in the show, we met two super fans who cooked their hearts out for their teams. Dennis is here as a giant Yankee fan, and Brenda brought it for St. Louis Cardinals, and good luck to both of you. So it's a snack down, and they made more than a snack. They made beautiful, thoughtful meals. We had a steak taco going against a really creative take on a brat with green apples in the sauerkraut and one of my favorite choices, adding a little caraway to it. Good luck to both of you. I thought the food looked beautiful. Chef Richard Blaze, our top chef, is top judge today.
Yes. All right.
So you judged the dishes. How did the tasting go?
Yeah, well, it's really difficult when both players for both teams hit massive home runs.
Yay!
I mean, delicious. I mean, Dennis, the taco, I live in Southern California, that should be on like a menu somewhere. That's how delicious it is. Meat was perfectly cooked. I love the textural contrast with the cabbage. Maybe could have brought a little spice to it, but delicious nonetheless. Brenda, well, you brought it because you did brats.
Bratwurst. I got it.
Again, you brought the spice. Love the fact that like the brat is very traditional. Maybe the proportion of bun to meat was a little off, but both of you cooked your hearts out. It was delicious.
And I love that. They were really into it, and it seemed to really bring them joy. You guys love
Truly.
cooking. You can tell that,
Yeah,
right?
definitely.
But you love baseball, too.
Yeah.
Just reminding everybody of the prizing. They do not get the trophy, just to be clear. I don't think either one of them could lift it. I don't know how Richard got out here. It's all the marathons he's been running. It's super heavy, but really cool. But one of them is going to win a trip for two to the World Series. MLB is hooking that person up with tickets to Game 1 of the series with hotel, and Liberty Travel is providing the round-trip airfare for that person and their guest. We worked extra hard with MLB, and they did say that they would gift our runner-up a great prize package of swag for their favorite MLB team. So at least there's something.
Yeah.
But quite frankly, the only thing either one of them want is this.
I know. All right.
So you have to tell us.
Well, one of the beauties of baseball is there are no ties in baseball. So
That's
one
true.
of you are going to the World Series. One of you brought it, hit a home run, and the winner is the St. Louis Cardinals.
Sorry, Dan. I kind of guessed when he said brought it.
What? Rachel?
What?
They say miracles happen in October.
And it is true that they know me and I like to cheat, so they're both going.
They're both going.